Hello, boys and girls. Welcome back with the third puzzle. The third puzzle in this puzzle page in the weekend edition of Sunday, February 3rd, February 4th, 2024. And I've already solved two puzzles, the 3-star Sudoku and the killer Sudoku. So two puzzles are left. The jigsaw Sudoku, aka tectonic. And this one, you are interested? Yes. It's the binary. It's binary time, and this one will be 7931. Before I start, I always count the printed digits. Well, this one has 28 printed digits, and it's a 10 by 10. Let me check. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Yeah, 10 by 10 binary puzzle. That means in a row or in a column, there are always 5 O's and 5 1's. Alright, so let's get started. Let me start with the double O's. Double O, here one, there one. 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 And now the double ones. Double ones, here no, there no. 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 And double ones, here no, there no. Now the double O's. Double O's, here one, there one. Double O's, here one, there one. Double O's, here one, there one. Now the double ones. Oh, no. Here double O's, here one, there one. And the double ones, here no, there no. Double ones, here no, there no. Double ones, here no, there no. Between the ones comes an O. Between the O's comes in 1. Between the ones comes in O. Between the O's comes in 1. Double O's, here 1, there 1. Double O's, here 1, there 1. Double ones, here no, there no. Between the O's comes in 1. Between the O's comes in 1. Between the O's comes in 1. Double ones, here no, there no. Between the O's comes in 1. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 1. So that's the O's. Double O's, here one, there one. Between the ones comes an O. Between the ones comes an O. Between the ones comes an O. Between two O's comes an 1. Double one, here no, there no. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 1. So that's the O's. And now, double ones, here no, there no. Between the O's comes an 1. And I know between an O and a 1 with 2 empty boxes between, there's always an O and a 1 there, but I do not know in which order. So we have the first one, second one, third one, fourth one, and fifth one. So that box should be an O. Double O, oh wait, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 O. So the rest are ones. Between the ones comes an O. Between two O's comes an 1. Double 1, here no, there no. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 O's. So the rest are ones. Between the ones comes an O. Double O, here 1, there 1. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 1. So the rest are O's. And 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 1. So the rest are O's. Well, I know between an O and a 1 with 2 empty boxes between, there's always an O and a 1 there, but I do not know in which order. So we have the first O, second O, third O, fourth O, fifth O. So that box should be a 1. Double 1, here no, there no. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. And 1, 2, 3, 4. Well, if I place number 5, the fifth O here, then we have 4 ones in a row in this column. Not allow one of the rules, so this can be 1. This should be an... No. This cannot be an O. This should be a 1. Yeah. Okay. So double 1, here no, there no. Double O, here 1, there 1. Double 1, here no, there no. And 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 O. So the rest are ones. Double 1, here no, there no. Finished in 4 minutes. Well, I like this one. Yes, I really do think so. Thumbs up. Otherwise, thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it or solve it by yourself. Thank you again for watching. And I will see you in a minute with the last puzzle for today, the Jigsaw Sudoku. Until then, bye-bye for now.